Welcome to CIP English, where learning meets comfort and community. Let's take a tour of our world-class facilities designed to give you the best experience possible. Our comfortable group classrooms encourage teamwork and lively discussions, while our one-on-one classrooms provide personalized attention to help you improve faster. After a productive day, relax in our clean and cozy dormitories. Whether you choose a single, double, or triple room, you'll enjoy a comfortable stay with stylish IKEA furniture. Need a break? Take a dip in our swimming pool, the perfect place to unwind and have fun with friends. Our cafeteria is more than just a place to eat. It's a space to connect. With a bright and comfortable setting, it's the perfect spot to relax, socialize, and enjoy meals with fellow students. Looking for a quiet place to focus? Our study hall provides a peaceful environment for reading, reviewing, and reaching your academic goals. We value inclusivity. Our prayer room is available for our Arab students to practice their faith comfortably. Need help? Our Student Support Center is always ready to assist with your questions and concerns. Stay active in our sports gym, where you can exercise and stay fit while studying. At CIP English, our facilities make learning comfortable and enjoyable. With great classrooms, social spaces, and amenities, you'll have everything you need to succeed. Enroll now and make your English learning journey unforgettable.